Logarithm formulas. Log AB is equal to log A plus log B. Log A by B is equal to log A minus log B. Log A to the power m is equal to m log A. Log A to the base A is equal to 1. Log A to the base B to the power n is equal to 1 by n log A to the base B. Log A to the power m to the base B to the power n is equal to m by n log A to the base B. Log 1 to the base A is equal to 0. A to the power log x to the base A is equal to x. Log m to the base A into log A to the base n is equal to log m to the base n. Log m to the base n is equal to 1 by log n to the base m.